Greetings and welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka pezliz, and I'm super excited to share with you today that Polymaker, of course, the sponsor of In Printing Color, is up to good, some real good. So if you live in the US or Canada, you are able to experience the Polymaker back to school sale. That should pop up in just a minute here. But if you visit the Polymaker website, they are having some major sales right now. We're gonna let this scroll right through. As you can see, of course, we've got the HTPLA. We've got some amazing functional filaments, all kinds of cool stuff. But look at this. This is the back to school sale with, of course, Polymaker's Panchroma filaments. Now, of course, this is In Printing Color. So we are going to share amazing things with you and, of course, get you shopping. So if you, of course, are live here with me on twitch.tv/pezliz, !Polymaker, and you can check out all of the awesome deals yourself. But we're going to take a look at the US website right now, and then we'll pop over to the Canadian website. There are some major deals. Starting with, of course, the Polymaker Matte PLA. Take a look at the prices there. $11.54 for some of the matte colors. The charcoal black for some of the white colors. We've got $13 for some other colors. Look at all of the matte colors. Of course, we have known this as Polyterra forever. But it is of course moving into the matte family. It's going to be called matte from now on. You've got gorgeous colors. There's the peach, the sunset orange. I bet I can name all of them right off the top of my head. We've got Savannah yellow. We've got some lime green. We've got jungle green. We've got mint green. We've got Polymaker teal. We've got Arctic teal. We've got Arctic teal. We've got baby. I think it's called light blue. Baby blue to me. The Celestials are on sale. The Celestials are on sale for under $20 a spool. Celestials are, of course, premium effect filaments. We've got the Celestial blue, green, and purple. Then, of course, some of my favorites, the translucents, $15. Holy hat. Get yourself onto the Polymaker website. Take a look at all the different deals. We've got the glow filament. We've got the metallics. We've got the gradients, including, of course, my absolute favorite of all of them, the satin rainbow. We've got beautiful, the spring, summer, winter, fall gradients. We have also the Panchroma satin PLA, which was formerly known as Polyterra PLA Plus. Beautiful filament that has a beautiful satiny finish. In all different colors, including, of course, the rainbow. There's amazing deals here. The Galaxy filaments are on sale, under $15 for Galaxy filament. Holy hat. And of course, we've got silks, dual silks. We've got, it's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Get yourself some silk periwinkle if you haven't tried it yet. All kinds of amazing filaments, all kinds of specialty filaments on sale. And I mean, these are filaments of your dreams. So my suggestion is, of course, think of all the filaments that you've always wanted to try, add them to your cart, and take a look at the deep discount that you have with this sale. If you are someone that is printing with the Co-PE, of course, all the Co-PEs work together, then you are looking at, $11, $12 for Co-PE. I mean, this list goes on and on and on. This sale is not forever either. The sale is not forever. So there are prices that are going to change over time. There are things that are going to go out of stock. So now is the time to, of course, grab some of those things. And if you are live with me on Twitch, we are going to give away at least one more gift card tonight. So anyone that of course is on a budget, we are going to help you a little bit, because with that $35 gift card, you could get 3 spools of filament. Also, of course, it's not just the Panchroma line. We also have Polymaker's Pet G, PLA Pro. We have all kinds of ASA. You know me, I love my ABS and ASA. All kinds, and even the 3 kilogram and 5 kilogram spools are on sale. All kinds of things are on sale. So if you've been waiting to try different materials, this sale is where it's at. Like, look at this. Look at this. Look at this ABS. ABS that you may have never tried. If you have a printer with an enclosure, you're able to print with ABS, get on it. The Polymax, like these are premium filaments. I mean, I could scroll through this forever and still not be finished. Polysonic, the Polysonic filaments, of course, are made for the faster printers. And not only are the Polysonic filaments amazing, that like, you know, for quality and of course performance, but the colors are absolutely gorgeous. So think of all the imprinting colors that I've talked about. You can also, of course, if you are able to use your poly coins towards these things too. The Cause PLA, oh my goodness. This Cause PLA is 52% off. Let's take a look at this. Holy hat. So normally $112, it's $53.99. So if you have a large project that you've been looking to do, a 5 kilogram of Cause PLA is on sale. And of course, if you're not familiar with Cause PLA, this in version A and in version A is of course more durable with extra sandability. Version B is sandable with extra durability. Choose your own adventure, but Cause PLA, of course, is something that if you're looking at doing anything that requires finishing, it's a perfect filament for that. The prices are absolutely amazing, but they aren't going to last forever. So my suggestion is, of course, get yourself to the Polymaker website, whether you're in the US or Canada, check out all the deals and fill your cart. Fill your cart and, you know, where your budget allows, invest in this sale. I will say, of course, my big suggestion for you at this point is to take a look at things for the holidays. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite filaments for the holidays. I am going to switch to, I'm going to do Panchroma. All right, we're going to take a look at the Panchroma. So if you can see on the sidebar there, I do switch over to Panchroma, and I'm going to go Panchroma and then orange. So these are some of my favorite colors, of course, for pumpkin spice spooky season. I know you're like, Liz, please don't remind me that Halloween's coming, but I will be doing an orange episode sooner than later. And of course, some of my favorite oranges are here. The neon is the dreamiest, creamiest, most wonderful orange filament. There we go. Those wonderful orange filament I have ever used. I absolutely love it. So of course it is absolutely fantastic. It is perfect because also of course it's UV reactive. It is glowy. It is super Halloween. Of course we can look back at some other things here under the oranges. The UV shift, which is kind of fun, that's on sale for $18. Holy hat. My absolute favorite silk, of course, is Silk Pezriwinkle. We'll talk, you know, we know that. But the silk orange, if you're looking for something shiny and Halloweeny, this silk orange is absolutely gorgeous. It is the most vibrant orange color. If you're looking to do light boxes or you're looking to do hue forges even, this orange is absolutely lovely. Of course, orange is not the only color. Orange is not the only color. We can take a look at some of my favorites, of course, including the rainbows. So when we look at rainbow, did I unclick that? I'm a pro. I'm a pro. There we go. Rainbow. In the rainbows, which are some of my favorites, we've got the gradient satin. Of course, this is my dreamiest filament. I absolutely love with of course a cycle of 133.5 grams. So easily get the full cycle with different models. And of course you can measure in your slicer what cycle you can get with that. As you can see with this big old froggy here, you know, absolutely gorgeous color. Also, of course, when we're looking at the rainbows, I am a huge fan of the translucent rainbow. It looks like hard candy. It really does. And of course, this has a cycle of 159 grams. Absolutely beautiful. I love that Polymaker does talk about the cycle. So that means when you're in the slicer, it tells you how many grams of filament you're going to use. So if it says that it's using like, you know, if it's going to use like 60 grams of filament, you can measure like, okay, so this color is starting on the purple. So I'm going to get purple, blue, green, yellow, maybe. If it's, of course, you know, double this amount, you're going to be able to see. So a cycle is how much filament you're using to get the full cycle of the rainbow. So this one, of course, this would probably be, let's see, 160 times 2, that is 3. Why can't I do math live? Hey Google, what is 159 times 2?
The answer is...
So this is probably over 300 grams. There we go. 300 grams, this model. So as you can see, it started out with like a little bit of green going into yellow, into the red, moving into the magenta, then the purple, then the blue, then the green. Then of course, this is where, of course, it starts all over again. So we've got the green going into the yellow, the red, the magenta, the purple, the blue, the green. See, there you go. There's your cycle. So yes, math is hard sometimes when especially if you're live on Twitch. As I've mentioned, I am live on twitch.tv/pezliz for anyone that's watching in the YouTube world. But this sale, of course, is limited, and I certainly have my favorites. I'm sure that everyone else here has their favorites, but I am super, oh my goodness. I have too many favorites, but I will say $22 for Luminous Rainbow. As you can see, some of this stuff is $20 for Luminous Rainbow. Holy hat. $20 for Luminous Rainbow. Of course, you want to use a hardened steel nozzle with this, but it is an absolutely gorgeous filament. I have some right here. I'm going to do a live demonstration on how gorgeous this luminous filament is. This is Bearded Printer's Floppy Heart. I have printed this in the Luminous Rainbow. First of all, take a look at this. Is this not dreamy? Let's look at what the cycle is for this filament. The cycle for this is 160 grams. So I did a plate with several of these floppy hearts to get this beautiful, look at this effect. Okay, so not only is this effect absolutely gorgeous, not only is this filament absolutely gorgeous like this, I have a UV flashlight. So we're gonna put the UV flashlight on this filament. As you can see, I have it just on the corner of the heart, and we're gonna charge it, and you're gonna see how absolutely gorgeous this luminous rainbow is for $20. Holy hat. Look at this. Look at this. Do you see how this side is more vibrant than the other? I'm going to show you from the back. Also, this model is really amazing in the back because, of course, it has that beautiful mesh. Look at the difference. Look at the difference in the color with just a second with the flashlight. So this is absolutely incredible filament, and of course it's majorly on sale right now. Thank you, Polymaker. So if you're looking at printing stuff for Halloween, for birthdays, for all kinds of gifts, look how that filament glows. So Luminous Rainbow's on sale. What isn't on sale? Holy hat. I'm gonna dare to look at Fiberon. Is there Fiberon on sale? Let's see. No. Oh, actually it is. Sorry, it is. Fiberon is on sale as well. So there's all kinds of stuff on sale. Take advantage of the Polymaker back to school sale. I'm super excited to, of course, see what everyone decides to discover. But as you can see, these prices are slashed. Some of them are 50% or more off. So choose your own adventure. Of course, if you're watching on YouTube, go through my playlist and see all the different colors that I've already explored, all the different types of filament I've already explored. And that might help you, of course, make choices for your Polymaker sale adventure. And of course, if you are lucky enough to be live with me on Twitch, we're actually doing a drop game exclamation mark drop in chat, and anyone that, of course, is playing drop game, the highest drop is going to win a gift card for Polymaker Filament. And of course, people in chat are sharing what their favorite filaments are. If you are watching on YouTube, let us know what your favorite filaments are, and hopefully you get the opportunity to take advantage of this sale. As I mentioned, it is US and Canada. So on the Canadian website, we also have all kinds of things on sale. Up to, you know, we see 35% off the matte PLA. We're seeing 35%. I'm seeing all kinds of amazing deals here. All sorts of filaments that I have, of course, I have tried out. There's some filaments that I'd like to try out that I need to add to my cart, but I suggest that you get on this as soon as possible to take advantage of the sale. And of course, for people lucky enough to be watching me, we are going to do an amazing drop game. Should we do this live? Should we do the drop game and let people on YouTube know what they're missing? Should we do that? I think we should. All right. So if you excuse me, we are going to go and share with you what normally happens here over on Twitch. So you're going to see all kinds of fun stuff happen on the screen. And here we go. All right. Everybody in live chat, say hello to the internet. I mean, you're saying hello to the internet anyway, aren't you? Right? Yeah. All right. Say hello to the internet and get your drop in. So exclamation mark drop in chat. You can drop with your favorite emotes, all those sorts of things. And whoever has the highest drop is going to win a Polymaker gift card. Of course, this is a global giveaway as well. So no matter where you live in the world, you are eligible for this giveaway. But of course, if you live in the US and Canada, you're going to want that. You're going to want that gift card sooner than later. So exclamation mark drop. And we're going to, of course, get this out to you right now. Closing the drops in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to start the drop. So starting the drop right. Good luck, everybody. And of course, if you are watching on YouTube, again, this is twitch.tv/pezliz. I am live on Twitch several days a week, including, of course, for imprinting color on Wednesdays. And our winner is Stephen Poole. Congratulations, Stephen Poole. Do you think we should do one more drop? I think we will do one more drop when we start the next, of course, when we end this imprinting color for everyone on YouTube, but as soon as we get back on Twitch. All right. So we're going to do 2 drops. All right. But of course, thank you for watching Imprinting Color. Again, my name is Liz, aka pezliz. Thank you to Polymaker for, of course, sponsoring this stream, and get yourself into this sale. See the deals. It is a limited time, and they actually haven't told us how limited it is. So take advantage of the sale right now and get yourself some Polymaker filament. If you have any questions, of course, I can answer them. Answer them in the comments, and also I can answer them live on Twitch. I stream on Sundays, of course. Sunday. On Sunday afternoons, I stream Mondays with Zombie Hedgehog for Z and Z. I stream Wednesdays, of course, for Imprinting Color. I also stream Friday mornings for Rise and Shine, sometimes Friday evenings, and sometimes Saturdays. So stay tuned for all the exciting things, of course, that we do live on Twitch, but also make sure you're liking, subscribing, and following us here on YouTube. So thank you so much, and see you next time on Imprinting Color.